Good afternoon, watchers and followers. What do we got today on Blue Tarp Fixin'? Behind the blue tarp is a snowblower, and we're fixing to change the oil. Why? Well, two reasons. One, I'm getting a snowstorm, I'm gonna need it tomorrow. And two, because I almost did it wrong. When I got this, it was used, I didn't have a manual, and I thought that you would change the oil right there, which is gonna be tough, because it'll make a mess. But they come with a pipe. This one has it in the back, and you'll see in a minute why. So right here is your drain with a pipe. Some of them have them on the side, so there's one on this side too, depending on your model. You might have to take the tire off if you have that style coming out of the side. But it's pretty simple. Here's what I'm going to use, just some simple tools. Got a funnel, some gloves, a wrench, a pipe wrench in case the pipe turns, and just whatever kind of oil you want to refill it with. It takes 5W30. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. You can warm your motor up or not. I didn't because it's 0 degrees outside today. So I came in where it's warm. And that's what we're gonna do. Nope. As you can see, it's pretty thick because it's cold. And just let this drain out until you get a few drops. Wipe it up and install the plug again. This is nice that it comes out the back, because then you can tip it back and get the flow out. And I'm gonna lose it. I don't even need that funnel. It's draining over that pan good enough. Got it tipped back. It's over that pan. I didn't even need the funnel, really, just to get started. So since I dropped my plug down the funnel, we'll just take that out and get it out of the way. Yeah, it's pretty black. It needed done. we got a pretty steady stream. Definitely would like it out the back better than out the side. Slowing down. It's pretty much stopped, so we can wipe it off and get our plug out of here. We'll clean it off. There. All right, that's pretty snug. And now you just need to fill it up. There's a fill tube down here, but it's kind of hard to get to. You'd have to have a funnel, but your check is up here, and it's easier to get to, so that's what I'm going to use. And just take this out, wipe it off. It should hold about half a quart here, so. Add a little and check. Getting there a little more. It ought to be good. Yeah. Yep, that's good. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe. Help me out. I appreciate it.